Hello and welcome to this new video on how to sign up with Shein. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Just click on the search bar and you just have to type for Shein and press enter in the keyboard. After that the search result will be open. You just have to click on the first search result and the Shein official website will be opened in front of you. And when you are inside this screen, you just have to look in the top right corner. There is a person icon. You just have to click on it and it will take you to the register and sign up interface. And after that, you just need to enter your mobile number or email address, or you can just choose continue with Google or continue with Facebook. I'll currently use continue with Google. You can just click on that option and you need to choose the email address with which you want to sign in to Shein. And when you have done that, you just have to press on the continue button once more and you have to wait for a few seconds. As you can see that my account has been created successfully and a random password has been sent to me by Shein, and I can change that password whenever I want. So this is how you can sign up with Shein easily. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.